Hello then, welcome. This is Alan. You know, paradigms are meant to keep the status quo. You picked these beliefs when you're still young, but they're meant to keep the status quo. Anything you want to do that is getting your comfort zone calls for the paradigms to fight for that. It calls for the paradigms to fight against it. And whenever you try to do something unfamiliar, that's when you feel uncomfortable and you get all these fears which tell you you will only fail if you try. Have you ever been there and you're about to get close to your partner, but because you're not used to this, you start fighting over something silly because you're not used to this and you cannot handle it because you do not know how to handle it. Or you set a goal to lose 5 pounds a month and you lose the 5 pounds, but you go back. You begin to think that you are not qualified for the job you applied for. That's by intervening the interview. Do you understand that? So, as you can see, paradigms are meant to keep you with that old belief you picked when you're young. And it's no good because it will not allow you to grow. Whenever you want to grow, it just holds you back. And it normally holds you back within these 3 Ds. I call them distraction, dissuasion, and the defcon. With distraction, your paradigm isn't going to say, I'm your paradigm. I'm going to stop you from achieving your dream. It won't say that. It's going to be much sneakier. And here are some of the examples of how it can sneak into your thoughts and it distracts you. It gets you off track. It gets you off achieving your goal. It tells you it will be more creative if you get your laundry done and your desk cleared off fast. Have you ever thought of something like that? You're concentrating on something. You're trying to think about something that's going to build you, and then something else is telling you, you first concentrate on the laundry or you clear up your desk fast. Does that really do some good work for you? That's a paradigm. It's trying to distract you. Or you're somewhat busy doing something, and then your mind tells you, oh, you've not yet checked your phone. Maybe there's an important message. It is trying to distract you. Then dissuasion, then if it cannot distract you, it will come in another way called dissuasion. It will come at you with a different tactic. It's going to dissuade you, and the common catchphrase is that I cannot, or I can't actually do that. Oh, I actually don't want to. Yeah? Because this paradigm knows you very well. It knows you. It knows the promises you have kept. You have tried to promise yourself and you have not kept them. So it starts reminding you of the other promises you have broken, and you really see, oh, I cannot do this. I can't. That's not me. Think about the last time you set a goal and you didn't achieve it. Why are you doing this? That is dissuasion. Then defcon. In the US military, this means defense readiness condition, and it is defcon 1, and the 1 is the highest state of alertness in times of national security threats. So let me give you an example of this. You pick the phone to make an important call and you feel you're sweating everywhere. You cannot do it. You feel you're shivering everywhere, and you either stare at the phone or you put it down and you leave the call. Yeah, your paradigm gets you fear. It gets you feel that sweat. It gets you that fear so that you leave what is getting you out of your comfort zone. Or you are reading through a lease agreement, and possibly your hand shakes. You cannot sign it. You feel like you cannot sign it. That's your paradigm. Wow, that's good. You know the 3 Ds that are letting you not go on have what you want. And the next video, I'm going to share with you how to deal with these paradigms. If you can become aware of these paradigms, then you can know how to deal with them. It's like a problem. What happens when this comes? You go to the doctor, and when it's severe, you know what to do always. Like these people always have migraine headache. That's what a paradigm is. If you come aware of the disease, then I don't think it can kill you anymore. You get the treatment for it. This is Alan. Thank you.